Hi guys, this is Nicey and welcome back again to our channel, Niceyjames. So today's video, I'm so excited to share sa inyo ang pinaka-eco-friendly, paperless at smart LCD writing from 3 Trees Company. So this is the 16-inch LCD writing tablet. A 16-inch LCD writing tablet. This tablet is only $1,120 or $20.01. Kids Learning LCD writing material. This tablet is also erasable with a black screen. Perfect for sketching and drawing material. Rechargeable LCD writing tablet. Paperless and environmental friendly. Big and colorful screen. Now guys, this is the 16-inch LCD writing tablet which is sold by the Amazinggrace. Please check the link below to order in Lazada. This tablet has 3 available colors, which is blue, white, and pink. So obviously, I choose the blue color because this is my son's favorite color. Now, let's discover what are some of the features of this writing tablet. Sobrang ganda ng tablet na ito kasi napaka-basic ng mga accessories niya. Like the packaging itself, meron lang siyang mini USB charger. Second is we have here the 16 LCD writing tablet. We also have here the user manual or the LCD tablet instructional manual. At the back of this tablet is we have here the 3 trees writing stylus na naka-attach sa likod ng tablet na to, and it has the same color with the tablet itself. Once again, this is the complete set of 3 trees 16-inch LCD writing tablet. Very nice at very affordable pa. The first outstanding feature of this tablet is that it has a long battery life because it has a 200 mAh capacity, and of course it has a built-in charger port. We've been using this for a week now, but still again, hindi ba siya nalolobat or hindi pa nadi-drain upon receive. Sobrang friendly din niya kasi napaka-wide ng screen, having the screen size of 305 by 214mm. And of course, very portable siya because the product size is only 328 by 252 by 8mm. Very convenient dalhin ang tablet na ito kasi napakagaan lang niya for only 300 grams. What's good about this writing tablet is meron pa siyang labyrinth pattern or maze that your kids can play. Another feature of this tablet is meron siyang clear and erase button. Just make sure that the green light lit up when the screen is unlocked. It also have the lock button if you don't want to erase your work. Just make sure that the red light lit up when the screen is locked. For me, sobrang perfect talaga yung tablet na ito kasi perfect siya as a gift for working mom, adults, and of course, sa mga kids nyo na nag-aaral pa lang magsulat or mag-draw, and it's really great fun for drawing and writing kasi hindi na kayo bibili ng maraming papel o sticky notes kasi itong tablet na ito ay paperless. I really like the features of this tablet because I can take down notes or write down the minutes of the meeting while I am working at home. My son also uses this when he likes to draw, write letters or numbers, or even manual math calculations. This writing LCD tablet is also perfect for drawing, sketching, or even graphic pad. Since this tablet is multifunctional, we can also use this for listing down our items when we go to the shop or grocery. Lastly, the most important is that we also use this as a simple family message. For me, this tablet is highly recommended, and then of course, promise hindi kayo manghihinayo sa pera nyo kasi this tablet is only worth 1,120 pesos at mabibili nyo siya sa Lazada. Now guys, please check the link below for your order and hurry up before the sales end. Thank to Amazinggrace for this tablet. Thank you so much for this product.
I like this product because I can draw everything.
Thank you for watching and have a great day. Shout out sa mga katrabaho ko dyan, Eloy at Sir Joer, and of course sa mga bago kong subscribers. Thank you so much for your support. I hope to see you again for the next video. Bye-bye!